Trying to lose weight at home, but nothing is changing? You're working out, sweating, maybe even eating less, but your body still looks the same. Here's the truth. You're probably making one critical mistake that 90% of people make. And listen carefully. If you miss the last part of this video, you'll never understand why your fat isn't going away. Most people think weight loss means doing random workouts. 100 jumping jacks, 50 sit-ups, maybe some YouTube cardio. But your body doesn't work like that. You can sweat for 1 hour and still burn less fat than someone training smart for 20 minutes. That's why you feel stuck. Let me show you the 3-step home fat loss formula. Simple, but powerful. Step 1, full body fat burn, not just abs. Stop doing only abs workouts. You don't lose belly fat by targeting your belly. Do full body exercises like squats, push-ups, mountain climbers, burpees. These burn more calories and trigger real fat loss. Step 2, intensity over time. Doing slow workouts for 1 hour is a waste. Instead, train like this. 30 seconds hard, 15 seconds rest. Repeat for 15 to 20 minutes. This is called high intensity training, and it burns fat even after your workout is done. Step 3, the hidden rule. Most important. This is where most people fail. You can work out every day, but if your diet is bad, you will not lose fat. You don't need a strict diet, just follow this. Eat more protein, reduce sugar and junk, control your portions. Simple, but powerful. And here's something almost nobody tells you. If you're not seeing results, it's not because your body is slow, it's because your system is wrong. Fix these 3 things and your body will change. Start this today at home, no gym needed. Do this for 2 weeks consistently, and you'll start seeing real changes. And remember, fat loss isn't about doing more, it's about doing it right. If you want a full beginner workout plan, check the next video.